Viewers, today latest update from Ethiopia and Tigray. Fighters Getachew Reda said they did not choose a good enemy for Abiy and prosperity. This is so true. When the army of prosperity came as a fly, Tigray Defense Force and Oromo Liberation Front kept them as a fillet. Professor Merera Gudina has said they don't have good friends. Professor Merera said what? They don't have good friends. Abiy is killing the people he came out of and denying. The group you hate is a collection of traitors. So when the day comes, they will close too. A leader who betrayed his people will not be good. And viewers, update from Western Tigray. The Eritrean soldiers are looting both household and farm equipment. They are also deconstructing and looting electrical transformers and utility poles from the cities and roads connecting the areas in the western part of Tigray. They are also indiscriminately killing civilians and gang raping Tigrayan women and children. On 14 October 2021, the Amhara militias and Fanu took 25 pistols from Adibe. From 4 October 2021, the Amhara militias transported 210 castles from the western part of Tigray to Gondar. According to the reliable sources, we spoke with a total of 280 FSR trucks loaded with cattle have so far been transported from the western part of Tigray to Gondar and Bahirdar. And viewers, Tigray forces claim advances in renewed fighting. Tigray forces claim that they have made advances in a week of renewed fighting. Getachew Reda says Tigrayan forces have captured many more prisoners of war and destroyed Ethiopian National Defense Force Eastern Command. Tigray Defense Force are in the countryside throughout the eastern part of South Wollo. These groups can't accurately be mapped because they are off the grid and not part of a main force. Small guerrilla units which were detached back in September apparently. Ethiopian National Defense Force offensive seems to be progressing. On the other hand, Ethiopian National Defense Force offensive seems to be progressing slowly around Gashina, but doing rather poorly around Mersa. Still in the process of verifying some footage of Ethiopian National Defense Force troops, but fighting has apparently left many casualties on both sides throughout the past week. According to the sources, heavy fighting continues around Gashina all night, with the situation in the countryside being fluid. The Tigray Defense Force has taken up position in the hills around Orgesa and Vikel, as well as apparently taking Chifra in Afar. But that has not been visually confirmed. So viewers, this is the latest update about it. For more latest report, please subscribe my YouTube channel.